Hi and welcome back to Rolling the Robsons. We're currently in the Caravan Grande Turin. We've decided to start inside because we're at the NEC show and it is a bit noisy because the guys at Bailey are putting some promotional balloons around and there's a little bit of noise. So we're not going to film the outside because there's quite a bit of noise outside as well. You'll probably be able to see it online if you want to see it. So just starting here in the lounge. Very similar obviously to the Palermo, which we'll also put a link up above to the Palermo video. Because it's mid-range, we have the one thing that I really like. We do have the better quality blinds, which does shut out all the light, which is good for sleep. Just open that one a second. Just sitting from where I am, there's a couple of lights in the corner. The one on the far side has USB, which is good. We've got some locker space around the top, and we've got a couple more that I've got it in. Being a Turin, as you can probably already see, we have a French bed in the corner. I always really like the original Turin, and this is no different. The materials on here are they're light, but they have enough about them that they're not going to get grimy really easily. Or if you've got 3 children like me, probably wouldn't take that long. So we'll have a look around the van and we'll give you our thoughts as a family. Can you get away with having a fixed bed and having a family? Because what a lot of us as caravanners find is a bit of a chore sometimes is setting up this front bed when it's the parents at the front. So would this work for a family of 5 like ours, and how would it work? Double part door with a window in, a little bin at the bottom. One thing I like about the Baileys is that we've got this side space to put keys and a handle, which is great for young children and older people as well. We've got obviously a plug socket here, which is great for putting your phone if you want to charge it. We've got the Bailey kind of control point, and we've also got the shelf above here. We could put 1 or 2 bits of pieces on there. We've got the carbon monoxide and the fire alarm. We've got some really kind of nice above lights here. That kind of makes it look mood and atmospheric. So we've got a couple of cupboards in here. This one here has the space on one side, has a shelf in. We have the point for the aerial because the aerial's above us, and the splitter with the kind of enhancing unit. Booster unit, that's what it's called. It's kind of trying to quickly rip around the NEC. We've got a radio in there as well. Again, something I do like is we've got the now classic and well-known Bailey window, which has a lot of natural light into the area and will, when you're on site, give you great views. We obviously got another cubby on this side, another full side lock on that side, which is quite similar to the other side. 2 lockers above the massive dinette. Again, a little bit like I probably said in the Palermo, if you watched that video, I would have probably preferred to be able to get access to the back. I can kind of see why they've done it, but with a family of 5, you could probably fit in 2 people and 2 people because of that corner. 2 people and 2 people. Again, at the moment, it'd be fine, but it would be nice to have that back space to put the 5th person in. On the near side, we've obviously got the fridge here. Something I do really like the fact, again, it's a mid-range, is we have a full-size Dometic fridge. Again, space to put pizzas in on that middle shelf as a Robson test. Great size fridge freezer. Above there, we've got the microwave, attractive to look at. We've got another space here to put in lots and lots of storage again. That lovely lighting above, and above the kitchen we've got 2 more cupboards. Couple of points there. Sink, good space. Because of the way the Bailey kitchen works, it's really good. Even though it's only a few inches deeper here, it just gives you that bit more space. So we've got kind of 2 spaces there and a drawer there. One of the things that Baileys have in this season, last season, is they've put this surface top one here on top of the oven and top of the hob, which gives you that kind of more usable space. So opening that up, you can probably see from there we've got a 3 gas burner and electric hob. We've got an oven here with a grill separate from the oven, again more storage space, and then we've got the bed at the corner. Again, storage space above there. I could totally see wandering around how this would work for a family like ours. So we've got a nice big double wardrobe, tables in there. Not the best place for the table because you have to bring it down to the front, but it does still work. And we've got, again, something that's good, it's thought out, it's not just one vast space. We've got a couple of shelving units to put things in there. And the last thing we need to do is look inside of the bathroom. Just open this up. Inside the bathroom, again a bit like the Palermo, we've got that very big, long, or wide, depending on how you say it, 2 plug holes, toilet. Again, I would have probably preferred the cassette to be built in a mid-van. Again, apologise, but we obviously are at the NEC, some announcements. We've got, again, another space here to put stuff in. And then we've got a mirror here and some space down here as well. That's the Bailey Grande Turin. Will this work for a family? That's what I've been thinking about. I think it will. The one thing I would have preferred to see from Bailey is some kind of drop downs here on the front, because what I think you would do with our family, we'd have us two, me and Lucy at the back on the bed there. We'd have the youngest one, Olivia, here in the side bed. So we're going to have to make that up. And I would have probably preferred that if the children could have literally, Maisie and Martha, pulled the front down, put a mattress topper on, because we've got the flat seats, put a sleeping bag on, and they're sorted. That's the only thing, that probably, and the side. The space is absolutely immense. The price here is at £25,814. It's a mid-range van, that's probably what you expected to see. There might be some deals to be done probably next few months, or if you wait a little bit longer there may well be some deals. But it's a great space, really lovely caravan, well thought out by Bailey again, so well done to them. And yeah, if you don't already, give us a thumbs up for like for the video. Maybe think about subscribing, yeah, if you've got any comments about the video or the van or what you know, please let us know. But a great space, and I think it would really work for a lot of families. Bye for now.